Apple may be about to leap into the ultra-high-resolution camera race. The latest leaks suggest that Apple is currently testing a powerful 200-megapixel camera sensor for an upcoming iPhone, potentially bringing iPhones in line with the top Android flagship devices that are setting new standards in smartphone photography. Android smartphones have been pushing the boundaries with impressive cameras for a while, with several already featuring class-leading 200-megapixel sensors. Until now, Apple's approach has been more conservative. iPhones max out at 48 megapixels in the current 16 Pro Max, but that might be about to change in a big way. Insiders now claim Apple is experimenting with a 200-megapixel rear camera for a future iPhone, possibly beginning with the iPhone 17 Pro Max or their successors. What stands out is Apple's rumored supply partner, Sony. The iPhone's new sensor will reportedly be the Exmor T model, which is already among the best in the business, and Sony and Apple's relationship as supply chain partners stretches back years. If these rumors are true, the Exmor T sensor could have tiny 0.8 micron pixels and a sophisticated 32-point phase detection autofocus for crisp responsive shots. Combined with Apple's signature image processing, this could result in stunning detail and advanced low-light capability. Even more impressive is the claim from Tipster Digital Chat Station that the new sensor will support 4 times lossless zoom. In other words, a single camera could work as both an ultra-clear main sensor and a telephoto lens without any drop in quality. This 200-megapixel camera tech is already making waves in the Android space. Vivo, a major Android brand with extensive experience in phone camera innovation, recently showed off a similar sensor in its X200 Ultra at the BOA Forum for Asia. Vivo may have a head start on this technology, but Apple's approach is always to wait until it can deliver an ultra-refined experience, so the results could be worth the wait. Along with this hardware leap, Apple is also expected to revamp its iPhone camera design. Leaks suggest the traditional triangular camera bump could disappear, replaced by a pixel-style camera bar on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max or their next-gen versions. This new design would give Apple's flagship phones a more contemporary look while accommodating the larger sensor. However, don't expect the 200-megapixel camera to debut with the very next iPhone. Most reports suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max likely won't get this feature, but future generations, and possibly a 20th anniversary edition iPhone, could be the first to launch this massive camera upgrade. If Apple follows through and introduces a 200-megapixel sensor with next-gen features like 4 times lossless zoom, it would mark one of the biggest upgrades in iPhone photography in years. Until then, keep an eye out for more leaks as new details emerge. For more updates on iPhone camera innovations, Apple rumors, and the next big thing in mobile photography, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the latest.